We are Generation Z, shaped by social media and global crisis, are we changing the world? Let's look at the data. Bulgaria lagged 20 years behind internet adoption but caught up with a higher 10-year growth, 35.4% versus 14.5% in the EU. Gen Z uses the internet the most, but the biggest increase is in Gen X, 38.1%. Gen X and Y use social media mainly for communication, while Generation Z increasingly uses it for work. The habits of the generations are very different nowadays. The age participation gap in informal political activities has increased over time. To see how much Gen Z cares, we surveyed 700 students. They are open, tolerant, and support causes like Down syndrome awareness. In 2023, Bulgaria reported a higher share of young entrepreneurs in the EU, 14%, compared to the EU average of 9%. Gen Z identified the need for skills in leadership, marketing, networking, and financial management. Each generation shows clearly defined preferences for workout locations. Gen Z and Y are often focused on maintaining their health. Gen Z is significantly more open about discussing their issues than Gen X and Y. With voice, action, and defiance, we break stereotypes.
Connected and determined, we are leaving our mark on the world.